In Module 6, our focus is on building efficiency using instructional time effectively. An effective teacher uses class time wisely and efficiently to focus on student learning. In this module, you are going to explore how we can help students move from one instructional activity to the next. We're going to look at pacing instructional time so that students remain engaged. And we're going to look at ensuring that adequate time is given for students to complete activities and to reflect on their learning and on the process of instruction. We only have so much time in a given day to really work with students, and it's so important that we build out this kind of efficiency and engage students in the process so that they have ownership around time as well.
Using instructional time effectively is a challenge for teachers. It is extremely frustrating for both students and teachers when a school day or class period breaks down into confusion or disorganization. Time is not only lost during the disorder, but also as the teacher attempts to reorganize the class and get things back on track. It may seem like just a few moments, but without a strong ability to use time effectively, those moments stack up over the course of a day or a week or a year. So in order to use time effectively and keep students engaged to the fullest, teachers need to vary their instructional strategies, make sure they're teaching appropriate curriculum that's sufficiently challenging, and ensure that lessons are paced appropriately. Transitioning from one instructional activity to the next needs to be structured to minimize downtime. Teachers need to allow enough time for students to finish the activity and to reflect on the learning and the process of instruction. Teachers must be able to pace and adjust instructional time so students remain engaged. In maximizing instructional time, you're also creating a positive environment where students feel productive and recognize the importance of the instruction.
In the elementary classroom, the school day needs to be structured and well planned. Instructional time needs to be used efficiently so students remain engaged throughout an activity. Transitions between activities should be as seamless as possible or so well organized that they do not disrupt the flow of the day. The more disorganized the transitions, the more chance there will be for students to be off task and valuable time will be lost. Students should be made aware of time expectations during instructional blocks and when moving from one activity to another. Accommodations must also be made for students who finish an activity early. Building an understanding of where the day is going and what to expect helps students anticipate how the day will flow and help to keep them engaged. The pacing of the day is important for maintaining an effective learning environment. Lessons which run too long or too short offer opportunities for students to become disengaged. Students need to have a feeling of making progress towards a goal. If a lesson takes too long to unfold, or if there's no feeling of moving forward, then students may lose interest or become bored. The quality of instruction is also important for creating an environment where time is used effectively. Lessons need to incorporate a variety of styles of instruction so that students have the chance to get involved or just get up and move around. Giving students a chance to learn material in different ways not only helps keep them engaged, but also gives them a better chance to retain what is being taught. The goal for effective time management is to gain and maintain student interest during class lessons. A teacher's decision when planning the use of class time play a large part in maintaining student engagement. Utilize instructional time to maximize student learning. It's important to let your class know your expectations for using instructional time. This needs to be modeled and practiced. Make it as easy as possible for your students by organizing time, providing students with a routine, allowing adequate time for students to complete activities and to reflect on those activities, and making activities relevant.
I want to thank you very much for taking this course. Lynn and I and all of my colleagues at the New Teacher Center want to wish you a great start of the school year. Please take the survey so that we can learn as an organization that's constantly trying to learn. We want to look at the feedback that you provide us and then make adjustments so that we can offer this course again next year. In addition, we hope that you'll visit the New Teacher Center's website. We have a set of resources that are specifically there for beginning teachers. Again, best of luck to you as you start the year.
You've completed all 6 video modules. Congratulations! Now's the time to go ahead and complete the second peer assessment. Just a reminder, the second peer assessment, the directions are on the left-hand navigation bar, and it's related to your plans for modules 4 through 6. You'll submit your plan, 3 of your peers will review your plan, and then you're finished with that. The final thing we'd ask you to do is to please complete our end of course feedback survey. We're really looking forward to hearing from you and how this course met your learning needs and any ways that we can improve it. And we thank you for joining us in this exciting learning opportunity. Everyone at the New Teacher Center wishes you the greatest success, and we all remember what it was like to be a first-year teacher, and the start of the school year is so much fun. We hope you have a really, really enjoyable time and have a fabulous learning experience for you and your students.